What's going on? So wanted to make a quick video about an opportunity I see in renewable energy with this whole oil crisis going on. So pretty much we saw this oil price go down a lot in the energy sector because the US is being forced to produce oil at a loss right now because of Russia and other countries still producing oil even without the demand. And these companies are producing oil because if they did not, then they would end up losing to these other countries that can afford to make oil at a cheaper price. So Russia and these other companies, they're basically forcing the U.S. to make oil and trying to drive them into bankruptcy right now, which is causing the U.S. to overproduce in oil for the demand at the moment, causing prices to go way down, since the coronavirus is going on. So obviously we saw a steep drop off right now, and along with lower oil prices comes, renewable energy companies do not tend to do well when the oil prices are low. Okay, so when oil prices are low, obviously people do not see the point in investing in renewable energy because they can get cheap gas. There's no point in getting renewable energy when it's cheaper to use gas. But I am saying that these prices in oil will not last forever. Obviously, they're going to go back up, but the drop in price has caused a drop in price here with renewable energy companies such as NextEra. And I see this as a buy opportunity because um, this renewable company and many more have seen steady growth here. Over the past 5 years, we have seen a steady growth as renewable energy is an up and coming sector, and that is the way the world is moving. And, if you looked at this 5 year chart a few months ago, you would think, wow, this company is never going to see lower prices again. It is going to continue to go up. If you are looking at the technical point of view and the continued growth in the sector as a whole. So I see this as an opportunity to get a good price in renewable energy companies. Obviously, this is just an example. I do believe that this company will be a good investment right now for the long term, but I see this opportunity, with many more renewable energy companies. As you will see if you do your own research, a lot of these companies have seen a steep drop in price. Okay, so I see this as an opportunity because this is a cheap price. Okay, we have not seen these low prices in a while, and obviously we saw a rebound because I think people are already realizing that this is a good time to buy these companies for the long term. And oil prices are going to go up again. It could be soon, it could be a while, but they will go up again. And I think with the turmoil as a whole and the possibility of U.S. oil companies going out of business and U.S. energy companies going out of business, I really do think that this is going to push people to renewable energy simply because they do not want to deal with the changing prices in oil and energy and gas. So I think that this is presenting an opportunity to get these renewable companies at a cheap price. And I do see this as a long-term investment, and I see this sector as a whole growing a lot over the next few years simply because of the turmoil we are seeing right now in the energy sector. So I think renewable energy is a good investment right now. And right now we're seeing cheap prices that we have not seen in a while. Right now it is a little bit overextended on the technical side, as you can see here on the RSI and the MACD. So I would wait until we see support right here. And also, I think we should definitely see a little bit of a pullback here. Obviously, there's a big steep, and we might see some resistance here with a little bit of pullback. So I think we can get a little better deal and wait for some more confirmation on the technical side. But I think overall, as a long-term investment, this is a very exciting opportunity to invest in, some renewable energy companies. And, this is not the only example. You should definitely do your own research here. But I just wanted to make this video so I could share my theory on why this would be a good investment right now. So make sure to do your own research. I could be completely wrong. Share your opinions in the comments. I would love to hear some feedback on what y'all think. But I think we're seeing a steady rebound here from these lows because people are realizing that this is a great price for this company. As you can see, it's been very solid. So I just wanted to make this video again to share my idea behind this. Please let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts or anything that you would like to share with me or anybody else. Thanks for watching the video.